What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. I do not have a good one for you today. I'm so upset. I'm so mad. I woke up this morning, checked out Robinhood, and we got some bad news. Y'all remember back this video?
Like pharmaceutical companies like Avenger and stuff like that. But I had
Those are things that I was investing in. The Avenger was my biggest investment. I've been following Avenger for a while. It's a pharmaceutical company that makes catheters, but I've been backing them for like months, and then I had about 1,200 of them, and unfortunately, I had to put all my money out because my car broke down just before I was supposed to go home for Christmas break, and so I had to pull it out to pay for my car bill, and that turned out to be the biggest mistake I've ever made. Because check this out. Look at Avenger stock now. Worth $6.38, was worth $7.38. I bought this back when it was worth 30 cents, and I had 1,200 of them. It was even higher than $7.38. It was over $8 at one point, I think. It's 5 day. It shows on here on my app. It shows that it hit $8, and that was just, and times 1,200 is just under 10 grand. It hurts. It really hurts. That's not something I want to wake up to in the morning, just to go on there and see that a stock, and this happened in one day. Like, it went from 18 cents up to freaking $7 in one day. And I knew something like this was gonna happen. Like I said, I've been backing it because they've had products and everything that are supposed to come out this year, and I've been backing it since late in 2017. They were talking about all their new products that were going to come out. And I believed that they were going to do really well, and I had to pull my money out because to pay for my car bill. So instead of, I should have just taken out a loan or something. If I kept my money in Avenger, I'd have 10 grand right now to invest even more into crypto, and just oh my god, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, guys. This is why they tell you to hodl. If you've seen this thing has been boring for like just a ridiculous amount of time. Let's go to 3 months. Yeah, look how boring this thing has been. 30. That's where I bought it at. Was right around. I think I got 29 cents. So for this amount of time, for months and months, and it just skyrockets. That's why we hodl. That's why we do it. And I mean, I would have kept it in there. I would have never taken it out. I would have that was my ride or die company. And uh do you guys have the same problem? Have y'all invested into something, really believed in it, and then had to take your money out, and then just like the next day or two it blows up and you're just like kicking yourself for doing it? I mean, I can't blame myself too much because I had to, but I'm still just in awe of like how much money I could have made, making 10 grand off that would have just been, that would have helped out tremendously. And then reinvesting that into crypto and this huge dip would have been amazing. We're currently sitting at let's see, I think a $500 billion market cap. Yeah, $500 billion market cap, and everything's in the red. We're still hurting, guys. Still better than that $430 billion, but we don't know if we're going to go back down to it. Yeah, I'm just making this video for the most part just to like an update. So like Robinhood can make you money for sure. I think that crypto can make you more, but just not right now. And I think that a lot of money is coming out of crypto and being put into Robinhood and back into stocks while people are worried about crypto going down. So they're putting their money in there to hold for a while. And I think a lot of the stocks are going up. I'm so disappointed, guys. So yeah, keep this video short. If you have anything that's happened to you like this, where you've lost a ton of money because you took out too early, let me know in the comments. I'll share the pain with you guys. I'll share it. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you're doing to keep up with crypto. I'll see you in the next one, guys.